Okay, hello guys and girls. Today we're playing What's Under the Post-it. And as you
What-
notice,
we're
Mr.
playing-
Q6 here.
what-
So what's
What's
under the Post-it?
Ta-da!
Yay! And that's
Okay.
the game we're playing. So Mr. Cusick is playing What's Under the Post-it.
Okay, but you're going to explain to me, Mr. Diddy, aren't you?
I know.
All right.
I'll try. I'm not very good at that stuff.
No, well, you should, because did you know what? You're my biggest fan.
I
Did you
am
see
Mr.
that?
Cusick.
You
I
are
love
my-
you.
You are my,
You're-
you're my biggest fan. I'm just telling you that right now. Okay, so how do we
Okay.
play? How do we play?
How do we play? Well, what we do is your job is to guess the number that's underneath that Post-it.
Right, so we're doing this one.
We're doing the
We're
top
doing
one.
Post-it
Plus 7 equals 12. What's under the Post-it?
You know, I know the answer to that.
What is it?
I thought I'd tell you that. So I'm going to go with fiver.
A fiver. You
Yeah.
reckon 5 is under the Post-it.
Yeah.
So if I pull up the 5 Post-it, you're right.
Oh,
Yay!
Stop it! Stop it! Stop it!
Genius, man.
So 5.
Genius. 5 is under the Post-it.
It is, yeah.
Now, if we put the Post-it back, how did you work it out without seeing the number 5?
You know, I actually took away 7 from that number there.
Excellent.
Yeah, so I
Okay, so
did.
that was your strategy. You took
Yeah.
away 7, and you did 12 take away 7, and that has to give me the 5.
You betcha. That's exactly what I
Perfect.
did. I went the opposite way. So, like, normally you go this way, but this time I went that way. So I went opposite. So the opposite of plus is minus, right?
Yeah.
So I went 12 minus 7, and then I got to there.
Excellent.
Yeah,
Okay, now
really?
in a second, like not now, but in a second you're going to be doing one-step equations. It's the same idea,
Stop it.
except instead of the Post-it, they'll be called X. But the
still do
X
this way,
just
still go that
means-
way?
Still go that way, same procedure, except
Wow.
this time it'll go X plus 7 equals 12, and you'll pull the X up and go, oh my god, it's 5!
Hey!
Hey!
Can I do that as well? Can I go, hey?
You
I'll
can
do
go,
that.
hey, but not too loudly in a group environment.
Okay, right. Okay.
Okay, so, what do you reckon's under the next Post-it?
Well, this one's a bit tricky, this one. So I've got to go 7, but I'm going to reverse that. So that'll be a plus 3. So I'll go 7 plus 3. That's the Post-it. I'm guessing what's under the Post-it.
Right, got to do it together.
Right.
What's under the Post-it?
will be 7 plus 3. I'm going to go with 10.
10. You're 10's under the
I'm going
Post-it.
with 10. Going 10. Stop
Genius.
it. Stop it, you say.
Okay, keep
Stop
on
it.
getting them right.
Okay, so what if, do we have to call that X? What happens if I call that P?
Oh,
What happens if I call that P? Let's do it.
okay, we'll call that P.
Yep.
So we can say that P minus 3
Yep.
makes 7.
So
And the P was
P equals 10.
10. Yay!
Stop it, you say. Stop it. Okay, we'll come back to that one. What about this one?
What about this one?
Oof. Yeah.
Okay, so we've got some number,
Yep.
12,
Yep.
divided by the Post-it makes 6.
Right, I'm trying to...
12 divided by the Post-it makes 6.
Okay, can we write that another way? Can we, like, go 12 divided by 2? Is that what... Well, so I've sucked it up, haven't I? Because I've already guessed what's under the post.
You guess what's under the Post-it?
Hey! 12
there's a
divided by
goal.
2 equals 6.
12 divided by 2 equals 6.
But can I write that another way? Could I say 12 divided by... Hang on. We need one of these for this. 12 divided by Post-it equals 6. Is that the same thing?
That is the same thing.
Stop it. Stop it.
Alright, so what would be under that Post-it? I'll write the number underneath the Post-it so you can't see.
Okay, so now I'm going to guess what's
Under the Post-it
will be number 2.
Number 2.
Yeah.
You get number 2. So
Is
we
it-
call
is
it,
it
we'll
two?
call him C.
Oh, stop it.
So if you get 12 divided by C equals 6, you can just go
Well, C has got to equal 2.
C has got to equal 2.
Stop it, you say. Stop it, you say. So that's another 2 right, a bit more up, a bit clearly up there. So that's it. So that's easy. So this is called what's under the Post-it. Is there another like maths way of putting that? Because I don't think we call it. What's under the
The
Post-it?
mass way of putting it, and you don't really need to, we do need to know it, is called sort of doing the inverse operation.
Inverse operation.
Inverse operation, I know. Big word. Inverse operation means do the opposite. So when you see plus 7, you think minus 7.
Because like going that way.
Yeah, exactly. When you think minus 3, you go plus 3. Plus 3 is the inverse.
Stop it. The inverse means the opposite, yeah?
Okay, now this one is a little bit different because you're doing 12 divided by something makes 6.
Yeah.
So you've got to think 6 times
Yeah.
what?
Under.
What's
the
on the
Post-it.
Post-it? Makes 12.
So is that like going this? It's like saying that was sort of there.
Yeah.
I'd have to go the opposite of divide. Is that right? No, not really, is it?
No, the
Because it's-
inverse operation is really tricky for this one. This one, the inverse operate. Usually, the inverse operation with these ones makes the job easier to understand. Thinking of this in inverse operations actually makes it harder.
Right. Okay.
Okay, and this is like thinking of this in inverse operations does make it harder because 12 is the operation. Sorry, the divided by 2 is the operation.
Yeah. Right.
The post-it is the operation that you're trying to think of the inverse for.
Far out.
So what's under the post-it is a far easier job.
What's under the post-it is easier. Yeah. Than this.
Then
Crazy stuff. Crazy stuff.
But that's the thing though. Your job here, and we'll just put the post-it back so we can play what's under the post-it.
yeah.
Your job here is to think what was the operation. I've got a number 12. I've got a number 6. The divide by, we'll call him C. That's the operation. Your job is to guess that operation in that particular...
Because I go 12 times something equals 6, do I? Like,
Yeah.
That'd be like a decimal point, but to do that. But to make it easy, it's just 12
Divided by what?
Something equals 6.
Equals 6. Now, the easiest way to do this, and this is something that sort of makes a whole bunch of algebra a whole much more useful. Sorry, Mr. Cusick, bad English there.
No, that's okay. You know, I know what you're talking about. Keep going.
You can always flip these two numbers.
Oh, flip them.
So if you've got 12 divided by some unknown thing makes 6, you can always do...
Yep.
You can always do 12 divided by 6. Put the 6 there instead. Put that into your calculator, do it in your head, and you'll get the number that goes there too. 12 divided by 6, you can just rewrite those flipped.
Stop it.
Makes 2.
Stop it. Sounds easy to me. So what's this called again? This is called
Inverse operator.
operations. Reckon we nailed it. There you go. Tune in next time.
Yep.
We are.